Ooh, I don't know, bingo wings. Created discomfort. That just means plastic, doesn't it? It's literally the cheapest. Oh. Thank you for going shopping for me, my lovely assistant. Thank you, thank you. Hi guys. See how I've toned the hi guys down a little bit for you? Because all my comments are like, who else turns down their volume before they play Dina's videos? Well, you don't have to now, okay? Today's video is very clearly going to be a try-on haul for you. I am going to be trying clothes for the first time ever, by the way, from Nasty Gal. Why did I do that? I have seen some of their clothes in real life. I accidentally went past a pop-up shop that they were doing in London, and you had to like follow them on Instagram in order to be let in and then pick up any free clothes that you wanted. But by the time I'd got there, all of the good stuff was kind of gone and there wasn't much. But one thing I did notice was that the sizes looked pretty tiny. Thought I'd look online and order some things I actually like and see how it works on my now very pregnant figure. Because by the way guys, I don't really buy a lot of maternity clothing. The only alteration I ever have really needed to do is get a waist expander for my trousers normally, because all my tops and stuff are really baggy and loose and that kind of style anyway. So hopefully, Nasty Gal, I will be able to rock during pregnancy. This scarf is filthy, ew. So I've got shit tons, absolutely shit tons of stuff here. How much did we spend, Sid? Just over £500. So I've picked a pretty good selection. I've also kept in mind pieces that I think would work for the modest clothing lifestyle choice woman. So if you're a hijabi or if you're just into looser, more covering kind of clothes, I've also kept that in mind. So if you guys have never shopped at Nasty Gal before, or these kind of stores that we see popping up everywhere because it's just not marketed or advertised towards us, well, I've picked the most suitable or easiest to wear items for you as well. So I'll be back with the first piece of clothing on me lovely body. All right, let's go. I need a wee actually. It is Nurse Dina who put her bra on top of her shirt today. It's a size 12, okay? And it's basically this pinstripe shirt with massive denim cuffed sleeves. I've rolled one up so you can kind of see what that looks like, because that's how I'd wear it anyway, if I was to wear it, which I wouldn't. This is the back situation. It looks bloody awful. Problem is, I don't have any space in between my stomach. Like, it literally just is boobs and then belly. This bit here, it doesn't fit very well. It actually makes my bump look a lot bigger than it actually is. But also, my bump is quite big today. Like, one day it's small, one day it's big, one day it's whatever. Yo, I can't even breathe in it, bro. There's no chance I'm gonna be keeping this. By the way, I'm 25 weeks pregnant as of yesterday, so the shirt underneath is actually too big by itself, so that's why, you know, you kind of have to wear this on the top to bring it all in together. I mean, if I wasn't pregnant, I might try wearing this for the summer, to be honest with you. I can imagine it'd be quite comfortable because I don't have this breathing issue over here. Lets you wear an oversized shirt, but brings you in a little bit in the right kind of places. So I would actually probably wear it if I wasn't in that situation, but I'm not going to keep it because I've got too long to wait, and then by the time I give birth and I've got my figure back, it'll be winter and shit, so allow that. I absolutely love this dress. It's so cute. This dress, the largest size that they have is a size 12 UK, which isn't very big. It's so cute right about until you get to here, which isn't their fault. It's not advertised as a maternity dress or anything, so they didn't know there's gonna be a great big belly in the way. But if they had an option for a size 14, it probably would fit. And by the way, it's lined underneath and it's not see-through at all, so it would actually be just so perfect. That's a shame. I would have actually kept this if it had fit. I would have worn it with a different scarf. Could have been super cute. Oh well. No, I'm actually stuck.
Yeah, I can't get it off.
No, I'm stuck. Oh shit. So, when I saw this online, I thought it would be one of those wraparound ones where you have like a tie and you can adjust how much you wrap, but it's not. It's another zip, which created discomfort, let's just say. It doesn't even fully go over my hips. It actually does go over my hips. It's just very tight. Like, this is the length of it. It's very tight on the hips. So basically, it's a size 12 again. I would have kept this if it fit really nicely because I just love the brown and white situation. Polka dot is also really nice on pregnant ladies, I think. I just don't know how I'm gonna get out of it because the dress before this, we were actually stuck for about half an hour. Yeah. Sid, the lights aren't on. Can you put the lights on? This whole time the lights went on.
The lights are on.
No, they're not. The light.
Oh.
The lights on, bruh. That's better. Guys, I love this. And it fits from every angle. I like a bit of beater. By the way, beater in Egyptian Arabic means like tacky. Leopard print, I think, isn't tacky at all, okay? Depends how you wear it, but leopard print is a timeless print and I love it. So this apparently is in a size medium. I just got Sid to check, but I'm pretty sure online it would have been 2 different sizes, either a small/medium or a medium/large. So I would have picked the medium large, definitely. This is the first thing I'm keeping. Yay! I'm quite excited to wear this. If I just show you first, so it's buttons from here and they go all the way down to literally ankle length. I think it would be see-through though, but I've got my skirt underneath and it's super lightweight, so you could wear like a jersey skirt underneath and not be too hot, you'll be fine. And then this kind of V-neck bit over here literally just has a nice tie to do like a nice loose tie. It's super, this is super, I love this. I'd wear this with like nice pointed white flats for the summer and just like a nice bag, loads of gold accessories. Keep it simple. I love it, I really do. Sid doesn't like it, but I don't care. I think it's perfect for maternity as well, super comfortable. Love how flattering this whole section is over here. So this looks way better quality online than it is in real life. It's like a really stretchy, kind of like, I don't know, it's like a jersey, you know, the shiny kind of jersey? I don't think it works well for this kind of jacket blazer thing. I thought it would be like proper tweed kind of fabric, but it's not. It looked like it wasn't gonna fit, but because it's so stretchy, I managed to fully and make it fit. So the back is too like, it's too tight first of all, and then it's too poofy. There's too much poof everywhere. There's poofs. There's just so many poofs everywhere. But I do like it from certain angles, and if I didn't have a bump, I could probably keep it, and then I would literally just wear it with boyfriend jeans and like Oxford shoes or something. Obviously roll up the sleeves, as I always do. Actually, the more I look at myself, the more I like it, Sid. It's very comfortable. You can like be like, yay, yay. Oh, let me eat my burger. And you're fine. It doesn't look good open, let me tell you, it really doesn't look good open. Mainly because this is the crop top and I've got stomach before skirt, and that's just nasty, obviously. What are you saying? What are you saying, guys? How you like my tracksuit? Yeah, camo. Do you like it? Visor, okay. I'm seeing everything in purple when I go like this. This was £5, and there's a reason. It's literally the cheapest like thing on the planet, but you know what, it does the job. It really does, and it's more comfortable than an actual like baseball cap when you've got a scarf situation going on, because the back's elasticated and it literally just goes over the top, and if you want to take it off, you take it off without looking like a tit. Take the visor off now. Hold on, if I can. Oh shit, Sid, I'm stuck. Oh no, I'm not. Woo! So let's talk about the tracksuit, shall we? It's very cheap fabric, but it's very comfortable, the fit. By the way, I got this in a size 12, like top and bottom. There's no pockets on the trousers, but actually I prefer that because it doesn't add any extra bulk around the hip area. You know when you get those hoodies that are like so tight around this section that they're really painful to put over the head? That was one of them. But once it's on, I love it. I love tracksuits, guys. All right, I just love tracksuits. Sid's looking at me like, you're not keeping that, and I'm like, yes I am! Go away! What do you think of these baby pink heels? I feel like they're a bit too big for me, but I love them. I've got these pale blue socks on as well that I just had in my drawer. The shoes are obviously nasty gal though. I really actually love them, to be honest with you, and I really like them with this tracksuit. They don't quite go, but like, who cares? I've just tied my scarf up any old how just so that you can see the outfit properly. But we've got 3 nasty gal pieces on here. Let's talk about the jacket first. Definitely better quality than a lot of the stuff we've already tried on. Navy, pinstripe, very long duster jacket. I love it. Come up closer so you guys can just understand this can't be asked situation, which just explains my life right now, to be fair. I'm so out of breath. It's a crew neck t-shirt, it's a size large. By the way, jacket's a size 12, okay? Trousers, a size 12. They did fit like properly up here with the real button tied up and the zip and everything, but I couldn't breathe. So I went ahead and got an elastic hair bobble and did like a waist expander situation. Now that's why it doesn't look very nice with the t-shirt. Trousers are one of those that have like the pleated waist, and then they have like a belt tie as well. But I really like the colour of the trousers. So if I wasn't pregnant and I was a bit slimmer, then I would actually wear the trousers how you should wear them, which is high waist, and I would tuck the t-shirt in. So you'd see the trousers coming kind of like all the way up here, which I think would look so nice. I'm really loving this colour combination, navy and like this almost burnt orange. They look a little bit Charlie Chaplin-y. Definitely always have them rolled up, and then with heels, pointed shoes or trainers. Such a nice casual outfit, so comfortable. I'm probably gonna keep uno deux. Next up we have this jacket, which is one size, super stretchy. Ooh, feels quite tight already. This is gonna be a no, I already know it. And the shittiest waist belt I've ever seen, cut out of like a fabric roll. There's nothing else to it, guys. Quite tight for a one sizer, don't you think? Look at my arms already. I mean, it's very comfortable because it's stretchy, obviously, but I don't think I'll be keeping that. No, actually, pregnant ladies. Actually, I've got ya. God, this is shit. You guys, don't buy this. You could make it. You could literally just make this. If I do a DIY on this shit, I'll do DIY. Oh, at least there's a pocket. At least there's 2 pockets. That's not bad. We also have it in black. Shall I bother even trying that on? Actually, the more I look at it, the more I'm like, oh, it could be quite handy. I don't like oh, maybe the black one is handy in Ramadan. Actually, maybe they're both handy for Ramadan, when you want to wear something that you don't care about as much, but it's nice and loose for iftar because you're going to come back stinking of food. Actually then, if we're going to look at it at that perspective, then maybe we're keeping them. Do you remember when Waterfall jackets came out, the really cheap ones, on eBay and everywhere, and they were all £25 and they're all one size? It's a bit like that, basically. If I was to keep them, I would definitely wear them open, I think. Yeah. There's not much to it, guys. You could literally make it. You could literally make it. You know when some things come arriving of fish? This jacket smells of fish. So this jacket is a size 12. So I actually was quite excited about this jacket because it's like the leather look. I think they advertised it, if I'm not mistaken, I can't remember if this was this or another website. I think they advertised it as vegan leather, which I found funny because that just means plastic, doesn't it? It's basically a loose leather jacket. Really definitely wear long things to cover the behind. No, I'm not going to turn around because you don't want to see things. It's really making me gag a little bit because it smells fishy, but it's fine, I'll just let it. Oh, the zip is just a short one. Aha, lovely. And then the buttons all button up like that. I think it's really cute, actually. I'll just be back in a minute. I'm just gonna look in the mirror. 1 second. Ooh, I like it. I think I'm keeping this, guys. So comfortable with the elastic as well. Like you want to close it. This is actually really good maternity leather jacket option because the elasticated waist, close it. You don't feel like you do when you're like in a leather jacket and like, thank you, nasty girl. But not thank you because I paid anyway, so. Guys, what do you think of this jacket? This is a nice jacket. This feels better quality. Their jackets are better quality, and it's a tied waist. So look good when you tie it. What is it? What's going on?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe I don't tie it. Okay. No, tie it, girl. Do what you want. Don't let your waist stop you from wearing what you want to wear. No, I don't think we should think like that because then you don't look as good as you could look. What do you think of this jacket? Okay, I haven't even looked in the proper mirror yet, but I'm loving it. It's like the perfect jacket for the spring to summer transition, if you ask me. And I love the colour. What do you think? I love it. That's a very nice jacket. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. It's got poppers and a zip. Let's see how it looks open. It looks sick open. That's nice, man. Open and tied maybe, or tied around the back. There are a few options we have, so. Ooh, this jacket's a bit fitted. Okay, already off the bat, this jacket compared to that one we just tried and the navy blue pinstripe is not good quality. Although I do love the colour. Ooh, it's restrictions on the arms. It just makes me look really slim, doesn't it? I'm feeling like it might be quite a slimming jacket, so sometimes, you know, to look slightly slimmer, you do have to. Pain is beauty, basically. What? It was. Everything's like loose. All the buckles are like not tied up. Where did that fall from? My wrist. I do like the, what are they called? Lapels. Lapels. Oh yeah, we've changed t-shirts. It's a yellow t-shirt and it says, ugh, which is another definition of my current lifestyle situation. Literally every morning I wake up and Sid just hears a, ugh. There are pockets It's very lightweight. I don't know. It's not as comfortable as the other jackets at all, minus those two cheapy Waterfall ones. I do like the colour. Oh, we've got sunglasses too. Oh, I thought these were going to be a lot more red, but these are more, no, these look good, bro. Hold on a minute. Oh, I can't see. I need scissors. There you go. Get off!
Pass it.
My shopping scissors being really, really good today. Come on, Sid! Nice! I like, guys. What's this white fluff, man? Don't like when I got fluff. I like these glasses. I really like this whole look altogether, minus the skirt. Obviously, I'm not gonna wear it with a black skirt. That's basic. I'm gonna put trousers on and proper shoes. But everything else, I really like. I'm just gonna look in the big mirror 1 second.
Hurry up.
Nice, isn't it?
What is this crap?
Bloody beautiful. I love it. Oh, actually, I look a bit like Pat Butcher. This is a size 12 and it fits very, very nicely. It's even a little bit loose. Oh, actually, what's going on up there? Hold on, I just got to keep it down. Oh, what's going on here? Is this Hunchback of Notre Dame? What's going on here? I've already got ear. I don't need ear. Oh, I really like it from the front. It is really cute from the front, though. Maybe if you had to wear a jacket, but then what's the point? Right, guys, this is the current situation. So this rugby top is what looks like a rugby top. Nice colours. It's a size 12. It actually fits better than I thought it would. So out of breath because we've got the maddest shoes on the planet. So I'll just back it up for you. They can't really see because the carpet's blue, so it's blending in. Surprisingly very comfortable for the height that they are. Tends to happen with more platform shoes, obviously, because the weight is more spread out.
That looks nice.
Hold on a minute. If I went to the supermarket like this, I'd look like a tit.
Yeah, because we live in bloody Wales.
Ooh, any supermarket would look like a tit. Unless you were going to Whole Foods. I'm so original. Did you know? I was hoping it would be a bit bigger. Pretty sure this is a size large. It doesn't cover me arse properly, basically. Maybe with one of those nice pleated ankle skirts. Well, the red one would look sick, actually. I'm not sure how original that is, but yeah. That's everything I've ordered. I'm not disappointed. There are some pieces that I'm definitely keeping. There are some pieces that I'm definitely not. They do need to work on their sizing a bit. Like they need to like either make them bigger or they need to expand the sizing range. Let me know what other try-on hauls you would like to see me try on while I've got this bump. Make the most of it in case you are gonna have one soon or I don't know, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I upload twice a week, or I try to anyway. Like and comment on this video. Leave me suggestions for what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you on my next video. Till next time, bye!